Hello guys, today we're gonna make these amazing chicken nuggets with corn flakes. And now I'm gonna try one. That is really good. That is delicious. Let's make it. So first we have to season them. And now we're gonna flip them. And now we're gonna put salt on the other side. And now we're gonna put a bit of pepper.
Ground black pepper?
Yeah. There we go. So now we're gonna turn on the stove to about 2000.
Okay. This is vegetable oil?
Yeah. And now we're gonna crack 4 eggs. After putting all the 4 eggs in, we're gonna put a bit of salt. Then we're gonna mix it.
Beautiful omelette.
Yeah.
Sky loving it.
Yeah. There we go. There we go. And now we're gonna crush some flakes. No salt.
No sugar, you mean?
Yeah, no sugar. Yeah. And now we're gonna crush it up. So now we're gonna dip the chicken into the flour, and then the eggs, and then the cornflakes.
Okay. Remove the excess of flour?
Yeah. And then a bit of the eggs. There. And now with your dry hand, we're gonna put the cornflakes. And there we go. 1 chicken nugget.
Okay, so you're gonna do them all?
Yeah. Okay, so now we're finished with all the nuggets. We're gonna put them in the oil. Since they're so thin, it cooks really quickly.
So as soon as golden, you
We're
take them
gonna
out?
take them out, yeah. Okay. And guys, make sure, be careful because the oil's really hot. Now we're gonna put it in a really nice bowl.
Delicious.
They look really good. Okay guys, that's it. Thank you for watching and I hope you enjoy. Bye bye.